Now, this next section is just how to confirm that you are completing the sessions as well as properly getting paid. So stay with me on this here for just a moment. Let's say, for instance, that you had a client that purchased one session with you. What you would need to do to receive payment, they already put their credit card in, that's how they had to make the appointment in the first place. I would come back to my calendar feature, which we're already showing right now. And then what I want you to see is up here, you'll see confirm completion, get paid. So I'm gonna click on the very first one there, online with Frankie, and I'm gonna click on it there. Now, yesterday we were doing this as a tutorial and it was a complimentary assessment, but this is gonna show you what I'm trying to show you here is if it was paid, you're gonna see the red complete event. So again, let's say for instance, this was a one-time session for $35 as virtual, 30 minutes. For me to now have the funds released for that one-time payment, I have to come in and hit complete event. So when I click complete event, now the program knows that the session was performed. Basically, the receipt was sent back to the client as well. And now I'm gonna be all set with that one. Now, same thing goes for if I was doing, let's say, a live session. Because with the live session, of course, I'm not necessarily going to be using the pinpoint video for record keeping. So anytime that I have a session here and it was already performed, you can see it just updated. All I would do is go back up to confirm completion. And this time I would go ahead and hit that complete the actual session and I'm going to be set and ready to go. Now, a little bit different if somebody buys a bundle of sessions. Because let's say, for instance, that they decide to purchase a month's worth of sessions at one time, so they want to work with you 3 times a week. And that was a flat fee that they're paying in the very beginning. So in this particular case, you're going to wind up receiving payment as soon as it's processed the very first time. But what you just want to do is keep making sure that you confirm completion on each one of those appointments, because then that will deduct the sessions. So if somebody purchased 12 sessions with me over a month's time, each time I click confirm completion, then it's going to go ahead and give me in that descending order. So I'll know exactly, well, the client used 5 of the 12 or so forth. So very, very simple, but just make sure that you're always keeping track. This is your to-do list here on my calendar to make sure you complete those sessions.